Protein oats can definitely help you pile on pounds of muscles, but the aim is to make it more delicious and enjoyable. The first recipe is simple as fuck. Boil 15 grams of oats, add chopped bananas, 10 raisins, and a half a scoop of plant protein powder to it. This can be a blueprint for an ideal pre-workout meal. The second recipe includes 15 grams of boiled oats, 70 grams of curd or yogurt, 5 grams of almonds, 10 grams of milk powder, 10 grams of plant protein powder, and 2 dates. This is the most ideal post-workout meal one can have. To make your protein oats more delicious, add a sachet of stevia, sucralose or aspartame. Add fiber-rich food products such as isabgol aka psyllium husk, sabja seeds aka tampina bija in Kannada, and gond katira. Always replace sugar, honey and jaggery with 0-calorie sweeteners. Avoid adding low-protein alternatives like sattu and besan. Curd can be entirely replaced with yogurt. Plant protein powder can be replaced with whey protein powder. Listen folks, fat loss is freaking easy if you make your food enjoyable. Hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा कर लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए। 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते